You brought it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I liked.
This is my dog. She's super adorable, and I love her,
You
and
love your daughter
she
walking
is
around
so
like that in her
cute.
short skirt, honey.
I didn't even notice.
Seriously? Seriously, Mom? Seriously. Your daddy gets upset when he sees you.
What about you? Dad, look at Mom.
I can't see anybody right now because I have green paint in my eyes. It all looks green.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
I have shorter shorts with you, Mom.
The shorts are here. Yours is there.
Exactly. The same.
Free. Sit. Sit.
Come here. Let me
Okay, well, bye. Wait, hold on. She has a funny tail. Look at her tail and her butt.
Your knees are
So funny.
straight.
Bye.